Yeah. Okay, let's do this one. What is this one called? Go, dog, go. Dog. Yeah, very good. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? Can you sign hat? Want to look at the book too, Grayson? Yeah. I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. One little dog going in. 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of the car. Ooh, look at this one. 2 big dogs going up. Very good. 1 little dog going down. Very good, down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. Do you want to look at the book too? The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. One dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. Yeah, can you say water? Water. You know that one? A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. 2 dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? Say hat. I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. Yeah, hot. Very good. It is not hot here under the house.